Hello everyone, my name is Beth God and I'm the owner of ACTWD. Today I want to take a moment and demonstrate how to go about getting the direct link to your Google My Places page so that your customers can be sent a link for them to make reviews in Google. So I wrote a help desk topic which this video is going to actually accompany, so I'm going to go and get the information that allows you to start the process to be able to make the direct link. So I am clicking on here and it will give you the step-by-step instructions to do this. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the Google Places ID tool. And what that is
New
a way for
visitor.
you to locate your business and actually get your Places ID from Google so you can make this direct link. So when you come up to the screen, the first thing that you will see is a map that actually looks like Sydney, Australia to me. And you're going to put in the name of your business or its actual location. And I want to make it linked to ACTWD, so I'm going to do that and I'm going to click. And it's going to bring up a map of where my business is located in the shopping center that it's in. And it's going to give me the Places ID here in the second line down. So I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to copy that to my clipboard, okay? And then I'm going to go back to my instruction page, and those are the two things. And then the next thing that I am going to do is I am going to borrow this URL. And I'm going to need to stick this on a sticky just for a second here. So we'll put that here for mine. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this URL here, and I'm going to open a new browser window. And I am going to put that URL here. And I'm going to take my Google Places ID that I saved, I'm going to copy it, and I am going to place it at the end of that string. So right after the equal sign, and I'm going to hit enter. When I hit enter, you will see that the box now has popped up that somebody can use the direct link that you have created. One little tip that I am going to offer in all of this that I think is going to be beneficial to everybody is to use the Google URL shortener. So in doing that, I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to take this link again. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to get my Places ID yet again. I'm going to place it at the end. And I'm going to get my shortened URL so that I have a short URL to send a customer, so that they can have a nice, neat URL to send the pages to. So that's my demonstration for today. I hope this helps somebody. I get asked this question a lot, so it'll be good to have this sitting on the internet so that people can utilize it, at least from my class. Thank you for your time today and have a nice day.